The Gypsy No. It's named after that mysterious girl we all knew in our 20s, who everyone was attracted to, who was intelligent, witty, friendly and immensely hot. And secretly bored of her small city existence, looking for adventure far away from a comfortable upper middle class dwelling in the suburbs. So decides to move to Bali for a year, only to return calling herself Gypsy with dreadlocks and a ball-ring septum, looking like the long-lost female backing member of Milli Vanilli. The ingredient lineup: London dry gin, Saint Germain or an elderflower liqueur of your choice, Green Chartreuse and fresh lime juice. Let's kick this off by adding 1.5 ounces plus 45 ml of gin to our shaker. Add 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5 ml of Saint Germain. Then add 1/4 ounce, that's 7.5 ml of Green Chartreuse. Lastly, add 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of fresh lime juice. Add ice and then shake for around 10 to 13 seconds. History-wise, this cocktail was created in 2006 by Dominic Venegas at Bourbon and Branch in San Francisco. Double strain into a coupe glass, then garnish with a lime peel, and don't make a mess of it like I did. Taste test. I was expecting this to be a pure floral bomb, and I was very surprised and impressed. This is a superb drink. I really like how the Green Chartreuse tones down all the other ingredients, but bring out their best qualities. The botanics from the gin, the floral notes and the Saint Germain. And it really works well with a lime, which just rounds the drink off. This is a really nice drink. I'm going to give this 8.9 out of 10.